If you want, yes, absolutely, I can share. Why would I share my number? You will all join the class na, so you will see me every time. So I will put you into the WhatsApp group only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll put you into the WhatsApp group. Fir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm joining with my laptop.
हाँ, please quickly join in from your laptop. You have 2 minutes. आराम से कर लो. Phone भी रख लो side पे. But once you join from your laptop, just make sure that you're disconnecting from the phone. वरना voice echo करेगी.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. तो अभी कुछ बच्चे आ गए हैं. वी हैव 2 minutes. अभी सब लोग ना मुझे बताओ अपना अपना नाम और मुझे बताओ आप कहाँ से हो, कौन सी क्लास में हो. यस, कोई भी शुरू कर सकता है.
मैम आए.
यस प्लीज. आदित्य, अर्जुन, यू कैन स्टार्ट. वो आदित्य.
मैम your voice is starting.
My voice is not coming. I can hear you.
No, ma'am.
अरे ये तो सुनाई दिया आपको.
Not
नहीं, am I audible, Monica ma'am? Am I audible?
Ma'am, my name is
Yes,
Unicor
you are
Sidhu
audible to me.
from P5B.
Okay.
I am from
Okay, so
West
Junikar.
International School.
And okay, good.
Ma'am, Jasua Dhyana.
Last में
Ma'am, my first name is Inderjeet Singh Sidhu and mother's name is Labir Kaur Sidhu.
Okay.
And
Okay.
my sister's name is Atit Kaur Sidhu.
I'm sitting right next to you.
And ma'am, I belong from Bhinda.
Bhatinda.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Adit, would you want to share about yourself?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I can hear you. Okay, am
Oh.
I audible to you?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No,
You
can
are
you?
audible.
अच्छा, can you tell me something about yourself, Adit? आप बता दो. अर्जुनी ने तो बता दिया.
Are you using a phone?
No, I don't know what
I
they are
think-
using. Maybe some connection. They might rejoin. कोई बात नहीं. मीका, ख्यातिका, आप लोग बता दो. Where are you from? What class are you in? कौन सी क्लास में?
Okay.
You're from Vijayawada. Great.
Oh, wow. Andhra Pradesh.
अच्छा, एक और चीज करेंगे. चलो सब. What we can do is we will tell each other one special food item from their place. So एक स्पेशल खाने की चीज बताएगा. ख्यातिका आप बता दो. Then we go to Arjuni. What is that one thing that you really like to eat from Vijayawada?
हिलाना कैमरा.
कौन कौन सा potato and
Wait.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
French fries. तो ख्यातिका likes French fries. Great. Okay.
Wait. I think there is some issue with Ajuni and.
हाँ, Arjuni
Wait,
और
I
Aditi.
need to check.
अरे है ना.
We can hear you, Ajuni. We can hear you both. आप दोनों की आवाज आ रही है. So जब तक they figure out उनका internet, तब तक let's go to Mika. Mika, can you hear us? आपको आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me about yourself. भाई कहाँ से हो आप?
रत्नागिरी.
रत्नागिरी. Wow. And कौन सी क्लास में हो?
Fourth.
भूल गई. पहले थर्ड में थी, अब फोर्थ में आ गई, लेकिन मैं भूल गई.
मैम फोर्थ में हम स्कूल ही नहीं गए हैं, तो अभी हम थर्ड में ही हैं.
तो अभी हम थर्ड में ही हैं. एंड कहाँ से हो? रत्नागिरी में कोई खाने की जगह है?
हाँ.
So what is your favorite place at Ratnagiri? मोनिका मैम इशारों में बता रही हैं आपको भी.
Beach.
बीच है, लेकिन खाने में क्या अच्छा लगता है? मुझे खाने की चीज बता दो.
Which is it famous for? Ratnagiri is famous for?
Fish.
Okay,
fish.
okay, great. I really like
I
fish.
always-
So
Yeah.
तो मेरा पेट तो भर जाएगा रत्नागिरी जाके. Okay. Ekashvi, can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So where are you from? What school? कौन सी class में? और एक food item.
Ma'am, I'm in Rajkumar College, class
Okay.
4.
Okay. और कहाँ से हो?
Ma'am, I'm from Raipur.
You're from Raipur. Okay. And what is that one food item that you really like of Raipur?
Ma'am, I don't like anything like from the street food or from Raipur. I like my best food, and it's paneer.
Oh, so you like
Oh wow.
paneer. Great,
Ma'am,
great.
ma'am, can I just tell something?
हाँ, please.
Ma'am, you
Ekansh,
have
okay,
confusion
Ekansh,
that I am a boy, I am not a girl.
I'm
I'm
so sorry. मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं गड़बड़
Okay.
कर रही हूँ. मुझे लग रहा था मैं गड़बड़
so
कर रही हूँ.
Ekansh, if you're using a phone, keep it like this.
okay, ma'am.
Are you using a
ऐसे
phone? Yeah, because if you're using a
ऐसे से
phone,
ऐसे
put it
करो.
in the landscape mode. Yeah.
Ah,
Then we can
great.
see more. Now we can
Great,
see.
great. Thank you so much, and
Okay.
I'm so sorry because मुझे लगा था सारी लड़कियां हैं, तो I was addressing you also as a girl. I'm so sorry. Okay, okay. और कौन है? We have Swati.
We have iPhone. Ma'am,
We
we
have
have
iPhone
iPhone. Who is
also.
iPhone?
So somebody from the iPhone will have to put their
Rename them.
video and audio on and introduce themselves. And we have Swati also.
We have Swati. Oh, that's I think it's mommy's name or it's baby's name.
Yeah, Swati is the name of the mom,
अच्छा.
and
Okay.
child is Pratyush.
So
Acha,
I
so-
can't see Pratyush here.
Yeah. Do we have Pratyush here?
So Swati, you'll have to switch on your video, please.
So Pratyush, we would really like to see you. जैसे मुझे बाकी सब बच्चे दिख रहे हैं. I can see Kyatika. I can see Realme 6. अब ये Realme 6 से कौन join करा है? You'll have to unmute yourself and
Rename.
Ma'am, Prahit.
Purohit. So can you change your name? वरना मेरे लिए तो you'll be Realme 6, हाँ?
Wait, let me rename.
I forget that name here.
Wait, let me. Okay, I can't do it. You have to make me a co-host.
हाँ, I'll just make it the host. अभी एक मिनट. कोई बात नहीं. अभी ये problem हम solve कर देते हैं. Okay.
So your
So
name
everybody-
is Purohit.
Purohit.
Purohit. What is the spelling? Can you tell me the spelling, please?
Prahit.
प्रहित है इसका नाम.
Purohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
और भी कोई कनेक्ट कर रहा है? प्रहित, तब तक हमको अपने बारे में बता दो. Where are you from? What class are you in?
Ma'am, I'm from Bathinda, Punjab, and I am in fifth class in Delhi Public School, Bathinda.
Okay, so you have two more friends from Bathinda, the beautiful girls. So
Ajuni.
Yeah.
Aditya.
3 people from Bathinda. only.
Yeah, 3 of them are from
iPhone. iPhone.
Ach-
Can we have your name, please?
Bathinda. We could see you. We
Ma'am,
could,
ma'am, we were in Bathinda last year
Oh,
in
No,
2000.
that's Nishika.
okay. Okay.
okay, so I'll just rename it as Mishika.
Are you doing it, or you want me to do it?
नहीं, हो गया. ओके, सो सब लोगों ने अपने बारे में बता दिया. प्रहित ने लेकिन खाने का आइटम नहीं बताया. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? खाने का तो बताना पड़ेगा आपको. You have to tell me one.
Ma'am, can we switch off the video for network issues?
Yeah, you can do that. But make sure बीच में if you can come in, join us, that will be great. ठीक है? प्रहित भाई फूड आइटम बताओ मुझे जल्दी. मेरे पेट में गुड़गुड़ हो रही है.
Ma'am, my favorite food item is pizza.
लेकिन भटिंडा में
my
सबसे अच्छा क्या
God.
आता है? भटिंडा का फेवरेट ऐसा टॉप नॉच कौन सा है फूड आइटम?
Food
Ma'am,
item.
samosa.
समोसे.
Ma'am, samosa.
समोसे भाई.
समोसे. हाय, बड़े दिन हो गए नहीं खाए.
ओके. तो अभी हम
So
ना
Prahit, you need to put your phone like this. Prahit, put your
हाँ,
phone
yeah.
like this. Prahit, हमको आप कम दिखते हो. ऐसे रखोगे तो ज्यादा दिखोगे.
हाँ, अब पूरा दिख
If
रहा
you're
है इतना.
using a phone, please put it in the landscape.
Great.
देखिए आपने
Shefali has
मुझे-
also
हाँ,
joined us.
right.
Shefali Singh.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi.
How are
Is
you?
somebody joining from your end also? I'm good. या आपके बच्चे ऑलरेडी है यहाँ पे? Are you joining? Is somebody joining from your end, ma'am? Okay, okay. I can't hear you. In case किसी को समझ
Ma'am, what's your name?
I'm coming there. अभी मैं वहीं आ रही थी. So in case किसी को कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता, just let us know in the chat box or communicate it to us directly. ठीक है? So my name is Ehlam. I am joining from Jammu and Kashmir. I really like having these sessions with all the kids and have all sort of masti and fun. आज हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम जितना हो सके, जितना फन हो सके वो हम करें. एंड लाइक आई सेड, आई हैव आस्क्ड यू ऑल अ फूड आइटम. मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं हर किसी को जब भी हमारा ऐसा सेशन होता है, आई आस्क फॉर वन फूड आइटम. एंड दैट्स वन थिंग अबाउट मी, दैट आई रियली लाइक फूड. जो दूसरी चीज मेरे बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी इज दैट आई लव स्लीपिंग. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइक स्लीपिंग?
I don't get time to sleep, but
ख्यातिका लाइक स्लीपिंग. मीका, प्रहत को नींद अच्छी नहीं लगती. हाँ, एकाशवीर, आपको नींद पसंद है? नहीं, अरे ये मस्ती वाले बच्चे हैं. इनको नींद
काशवीर बाकियों की नींद उड़ाते हैं ना काशवीर.
या अजूनी को सोना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. शी स्माइलिंग. ओके, तो अभी क्या करते हैं ना, अभी एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं. मैं देखती हूँ आप लोग मेरे को कितना केयरफुली सुन रहे हो सब लोग. हाँ, I will do one activity.
Just a second.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I would request Shefali Singh to please tell us the name of the child first. Could you, in case there's a problem, so you can please write in the chat box.
Yeah.
And are the parents there with the children?
Yes.
I hope everybody's parents are around.
हाँ, सबके मम्मी पापा हैं आसपास. ख्यातिका,
Ekanshveer? Yes, Ekanshveer. I think his parents are there. Are they there?
Yes, ma'am. Parents are there.
Okay.
हाँ,
Great.
उसके मम्मी पापा भी है.
Khyatika, your parents are there?
दीदी आपको कान का तो देखिए.
Khyatika, your parents are there?
ख्यातिका, मम्मी पापा है आसपास?
Okay, so can they come?
Can you call one of them? मम्मी या पापा में से किसी एक को बुला लो.
Okay, so Shefali ma'am and Namita ma'am are from us.
Hey, Namita ma'am is from the school. Shefali is also from the school. Okay. Okay, great. ठीक है, प्रहित is also joining. Okay, अभी सब ने अपना वीडियो ऑन करना, बिकॉज मुझे आप लोगों को देखने की बहुत जरूरत है अभी इस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी के लिए. ठीक है? ओके, बहुत सिंपल सी गेम खेलेंगे हम. मैं आपको कुछ करने को बोलूंगी, आपको वो करना है. ठीक है? मिशिका, कैन यू हियर मी?
Mishika, Mihika.
नहीं, मिहिका भी है, मिशिका भी है. मिशिका इज राइट इन.
I think.
हाँ, शायद कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. प्रहित का भी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है बिकॉज आई कांट सी हिम.
Okay, so Mishika, I think the father is there. Yeah, she's also there. So children, if you're using a phone, remember you put it in the landscape mode and keep it on the speaker view. Don't scroll it, because the moment you scroll it, the video goes out, and then neither can you see the video nor can you hear the speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, done. So Mishika, please put it in the landscape mode.
Yeah, and switch
Yeah.
on your videos. Yeah. Okay.
Let's begin.
So अभी if I ask you to clap, you have to clap your hands. एक बार करके दिखाओगे सब लोग? So 1, 2, 3, clap. Great. तो मेहिका ऑन पॉइंट थी, मोनिका मैम भी ऑन पॉइंट थी. ख्यातिका थोड़ा डिले हो गया, और बाकी लोगों का तो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा बिकॉज उन्होंने वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया है. सो रिक्वेस्टिंग एवरीबडी टू स्विच ऑन योर वीडियोस फॉर दिस छोटा सा गेम. ओके, सो अभी फिर से करते हैं. उस टाइम पर फटाक से क्लैप आ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? ओके, क्लैप.
मैम बहुत दूर है ना, मे बी क्लैप वर्ड जाने में टाइम लग रहा है.
बट अभी भी सभी एग्जैक्टली कर रहे हैं. मेरे सामने 3 बच्चे कर रहे हैं, फटाक से क्लैप आ रहा है. ओके, ठीक है. अभी मैं बोलूंगी नेम, तो जोर से अपना नाम बोलना है सबको. सब लोग अनम्यूट कर दो अपने आप को इसके लिए. हाँ, तो नेम बोलूंगी. ख्यातिका, आपको भी अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
You need to tell your name. Khyatika, so when we say clap, you need to clap. When ma'am says name, you need to call your name loudly.
जोर से अपना नाम बोलना
Okay,
है.
everyone has to. So it will sound a little, but it's okay. It has to sound like that.
ओके. नेम.
Monica.
Fun.
मुझे सिर्फ मोनिका मैम का की आवाज सुनाई दी. उसके बाद मुझे किसी का सुनाई नहीं दिया। अच्छा एक और बार ट्राई करते हैं, सब लोग फुल जोश में। हाँ 1 2 नेम। वाओ ग्रेट, मुझे सबसे पहले एकाशीर की आवाज आई। ग्रेट ग्रेट। अभी ना इसमें ट्विस्ट है थोड़ा सा, उल्टा कर देंगे इसको। जब मैं बोलूंगी क्लैप, देन यू हैव टू से योर नेम, एंड व्हेन आई से नेम देन यू हैव टू क्लैप योर हैंड्स। ठीक है, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना, हाँ गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए। ओके 1 2 3 नेम। एकाशीर was ready to punch me. ओके ओके
मैम
ओके
एक और चीज ऐड कर दो ना, क्लैप टैप नेम। टैप में हम टैप ही
हाँ।
करेंगे।
Hello, ma'am.
टैप ही करेंगे।
Hi Mishika, I can hear you. Can you switch on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. मुझे आप दिखोगे फिर आप you can include yourself into game also. Great. थोड़ा टेढ़ा कर दो अपना फोन, like if it's like this, put it like this so that we can see you, और थोड़ा दूर रख दो so that your hands are free.
Okay, ma'am.
तो हमने
क्लैप टैप नेम।
क्लैप किया, अब हम टैप करेंगे, फिर हम नेम बोलेंगे।
टैप कैसे करें? टैप कैसे करें? टैप या टैप या टैप।
जब टैप बोलेंगे तो इधर टैप कर देना।
Okay, ma'am.
टैप।
टैप।
Okay, ma'am.
तो
पहले
क्लैप
क्लैप टैप नेम। पहले मैम हाँ इसी की प्रैक्टिस दे दो। पहले
इसकी
हमें
प्रैक्टिस
जल्दी
करते हैं पहले, लेकिन मैं सुन देखती हूँ कि कितने लोग अच्छे से सुन रहे हैं। क्विकली 1 2 3 टैप।
फास्टर फास्टर।
प्रहित ने तो किया ही नहीं कुछ। प्रहित
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
अच्छा यू कांट सी मी, कैन यू स्विच द स्क्रीन, स्क्रॉल कर दो स्क्रीन को। आई होप देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी मी। बाकी सबको मैं दिख रही हूँ ना? रेस्ट एवरीबॉडी एल्स कैन सी मी? ओके ग्रेट,
Yes, ma'am. It's come.
इट हैज कम। ओके सो टैप के टाइम ना ऐसे करना है प्रहित, अपने शोल्डर्स को टैप करना है।
Okay, ma'am.
टैप
ओके ओके ओके, अब मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ। आई कैन से नेम, आई कैन से क्लैप, आई कैन से टैप। अच्छा नेम और क्लैप उल्टा है, हाँ वो याद रखना, वो उसका ट्विस्ट इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग। ओके 1 2 3 क्लैप। ओके ओके एकाशीर वाज बैंग ऑन। ग्रेट ग्रेट, एक और बार ट्राई करते हैं। 1 2 3 टैप। ये ख्यातिका ने किया अच्छे से, और मेका ने भी बहुत स्लोली बट किया। तो आप लोग सुन रहे हो, हाँ ये तो आई कैन से। अच्छा वन लास्ट थिंग है, मुझे एक बार सब लोग लाफ करके दिखा दो। दिस इज वन थिंग दैट वी आल्सो ऐड, बट आपको मुझे हंस के दिखाना है। अगर मैं आपको टिकल करूं बहुत जोर से तो आप कैसे हंसोगे?
Mute नहीं है।
ख्यातिका को गिगल करना है। मैं बहुत जोर से गुदगुदी कर रही हूँ आपको, कैसे हंसोगे? बहुत 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 करो। यू हैव टू लाफ।
Great. Our father is doing it. Our father is doing it.
Yeah. Great. Okay.
Great.
तो अभी मैं ना आप सबसे हमने गेम भी कर लिया। आई कैन सी एवरीबॉडी इज स्माइलिंग। ग्रेट, दैट्स ऑसम। अभी मैं आप सबसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, मुझे ऑनेस्टली आंसर देना। ये मत सोचना मम्मी पापा साइड पे बैठे हैं, ठीक है? तो आप मुझे बताओ, व्हेन आई से द वर्ड स्टडीज, अगर मैं स्टडीज बोलती हूँ या पढ़ाई बोलती हूँ तो पहली चीज क्या आती है दिमाग में? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड? नहीं करना।
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं करना, ओके। और
Ma'am, same.
रोज तो करते हैं मैम, मेरे मन में आती है रोज तो करते हैं।
रोज तो पढ़ाई करनी होती है,
Yes.
आज भी करनी पढ़ाई, क्या है? एनीबडी एल्स? और बाकी लोगों को क्या लगता है?
Ma'am, same.
सेम क्या? कुछ तो होता होगा। अगर मैं बोलूंगी अभी पढ़ाई करनी है, मीका अभी पढ़ाई करनी है, प्रहित अभी पढ़ाई करनी है, पहली चीज क्या आएगी दिमाग में?
मुझे नहीं करनी।
मुझे तो नहीं करनी।
Started study. Open
Yes,
books and start
I
study.
didn't want
Open
to
book?
study.
Yeah. So Prahit is saying, Prahit is saying, open the books, start studying. Yeah, that was going on.
ओके।
Natika, what comes to your mind?
Yeah. निशिका को कैसा लगता है अगर मैं बोलूंगी अभी पढ़ाई कर रही है?
I don't want to study.
You don't want to study. क्यों मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही? बताओ, any answer, give me any answer. मैं सिर्फ
Because it is a very big questions and full course.
Full
Ma'am.
course, full on
Yeah,
question,
Kratika,
full course.
Kratika
It's
is saying
boring.
she's a little bit tired, so she doesn't want to study now.
Yeah, I just wrote it down. So Katika का मैंने आपका responsibility लिया कि बहुत थक जाते
Kratika,
थे.
you have classes in the morning in the school.
Ma'am, everyone thinks it's boring.
Okay. So
Everybody
we
thinks
need to
it's
follow one
boring.
rule, children. One rule. So when somebody is speaking, we need to let others speak, or we can raise our hands if you want to. Because we are very less, so it's okay. But sometimes some people, when they're speaking, others can raise the hand.
Yeah.
So Kyatika has a school, and I know it is tiring. Sometimes it is very boring, long questions. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
long questions. Okay. और जब होमवर्क करना होता है तब कैसा लगता है?
मैम अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा लगता है?
It feels good.
Feels good. Okay.
अच्छा, कौन से सब्जेक्ट का होमवर्क feels good होता है और कौन से सब्जेक्ट का होमवर्क does not feel good होता है? So
Ma'am, all subjects.
Okay, for Nishika, all subject homework is feel good. Okay.
Yes, Ekashvi. आपके लिए कैसा है?
For Hindi and SST, I feel that no, but for maths, computers, and English, I feel yes. Like very good.
Same to same. Wow.
Kyatika, what about you? How does the word homework feels to you? Unmute yourself.
Like maths and Hindi.
Okay, for maths and Hindi. Kyatika, how is it for you? Homework? Don't know.
Oh, very good.
and Hindi I don't like.
Even I never used to like homework ना. जब मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं होमवर्क पहले करना है फिर मस्ती होगी. पहले तो होमवर्क खत्म करो. ये किसके पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि पहले होमवर्क खत्म करो फिर मस्ती होगी? Mine were also like this. They were like कि भाई पहले खत्म करना है आपको होमवर्क, उसके बाद ही पढ़ाई हो सकता है. उसके
मेरे लिए ना होमवर्क में जहाँ ड्राइंग होती थी ना वो मुझे मस्ती लगती थी. But if I had to write some spellings 10 times or 5 times, or if I had to write, or like if I had to do all the back sums of maths book, I would not write it.
तो Mihika really likes it, but I would be like नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा. ख्यातिका को कैसा लगता है homework?
She said she doesn't like.
She doesn't like to do homework. किसी भी subject का नहीं पसंद. Okay.
Any subject, Kyatika, that you
I
like?
also love to draw. Love drawing.
You
Did
love
you get drawing homework? I will.
I love maths.
Rahit likes maths. Okay.
I liked maths when my father was not sitting with me. If he was sitting with me, then I would get one show. So I never liked maths.
Attack. Okay. तो किसी ने ना अभी इंग्लिश और इंग्लिश का नहीं बताया किसी ने कुछ. तो अब मुझे लगता है आज हम इंग्लिश ही पढ़ेंगे. बताया है काश्मीर? आई डोंट नो, मैंने शायद मिस आउट कर दिया. इंग्लिश पसंद है. ओके, मैं ऐड कर देती हूँ इंग्लिश.
ऐसे हम पढ़ते क्यों हैं मैम? जरा इनसे पूछो पढ़ते क्यों हैं?
I was coming to that. अब इतना कुछ है, हम पढ़ाई की बात कर रहे हैं, हम होमवर्क की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हैं? To learn. क्या? What to learn? What do you want to learn? To learn new things. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, to learn something excited.
To learn
Okay.
something exciting. Okay.
What
क्यों पढ़ाई कर रही है?
To know about what is going around the world.
Very
To know
good.
about what is going around the world. Okay. And how will you use it? How will you use it in your life?
कैसे यूज करेंगे इसको? पता तो लग गया मुझे. What is going around?
What do you think?
Ma'am, I think that we will use by working on everything, by thinking that what's that, why it is, like that. And ma'am, we will work on job. Ma'am, we will use these things on job.
Okay.
Okay.
And is your father sitting along?
No, ma'am, my mother.
Okay. तो मम्मी से पूछो उन्होंने स्कूल में क्या पढ़ाई की थी और अभी वो कहाँ यूज कर रही हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
पूछो मम्मी से. कहाँ है मम्मी? पूछो
हाँ?
मम्मी से कि उन्होंने क्या पढ़ाई की थी और अभी वो कहाँ है, क्या यूज कर रही है उसका।
पेरेंट
मैम आप
पेरेंटिंग में यूज कर रहे हैं।
आप पेरेंटिंग में यूज कर रहे हो। मैम आपने मैथ्स में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ी थी, ज्योमेट्री पढ़ी थी?
यस मैम।
उसको कहाँ
मैम
यूज
कहाँ
कर
यूज कर रहे हो? रोटी गोल बनाने में। So children, when I was
Yeah.
like you know, when I was like you, like एलाम मैम तो फिर भी यंग है, तो जब मैं पढ़ाई करती थी तो हमारे पास कंप्यूटर होता ही नहीं था. I didn't have computers. I didn't study computer. But when I started working, I have computer. तो मैंने जो पढ़ा ही नहीं, मैं वो भी यूज कर रही हूँ, और जो मैंने पढ़ा वो तो मैं यूज ही नहीं कर रही. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि हम पढ़ाई कर ही क्यों रहे हैं. अभी तो आप कितने how old will you be? 9, 10 years old, 9 years old,
11.
11 years old. So if you start work, so how do you know at 20 years, when you are 20 years and you start working, the same padhai is going to be useful there?
I have no idea.
No idea. Get an idea. So why are you going to school? जा क्यों रहे
अब
हो
बताओ
स्कूल?
स्कूल क्यों जा रहे हैं? अगर पता ही नहीं आगे ये सेम चीज
For
होगी,
studying. Ma'am, for studying.
हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं स्टडी करने के लिए.
Yes.
फिर सुबह क्यों लड़ाई होती है मम्मी से? उठ जाओ, स्कूल जाना है. नहीं मुझे नहीं उठना. उठ जाओ. Kyatika, do you have a fight with your father and mother anytime in the morning? They tell you, get up, go to school, and you say, no, I don't want to go to school.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know why we are going to school.
Why you are going to school?
Ma'am, we are going to school to exercise and open our brain cells.
Okay, then why are you carrying your bag?
We will that things that we are not learned will then come, and that time we will have them stored, and then the things that we have not learned will go in our mind.
Who told you this?
And
Who told you this?
ma'am, my mother.
Then, okay, your mother told you. That is the reason why you know. Any reason you have to go to school?
आपके लिए क्या रीजन है? मम्मी पापा ने जो बोला उसको रहने दो.
Ma'am, we friends have to go for games period.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, for the
Ma'am,
games period.
when there is art period, sir allows us to talk.
Yeah, so yeah, we go to school to talk. We go to school to meet our friends. We go to school to play in the games period. And in that case, you have to carry that lousy big bag, and that I have to study. I don't even know whether I will be able to use it or not. I went to school.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
My
make
father told me school जाना है.
हाँ, मैं भी
नहीं
इसलिए
जाओगे
गई
तो
थी.
हाँ नहीं जाओगे तो अंडे का ठेला. He said you will have to take an omelette stall. You sell omelette to earn money. That is why I went to school. Especially winters में इतने सारे sweater पहन के we used to go to school. Khyatika doesn't have winter, but in Delhi and Bhatinda it is very cold, and you have to wear sweater and a cap and a shawl and a gloves and
blazer
then you go to
also.
school.
Yes, the blazer
और
also.
क्या? How many of you are going to school because your parents said you should go to school?
धीरे धीरे करके हाथ उठ रहे हैं.
Okay, yeah.
क्योंकि मम्मी पापा ने बोला स्कूल जाना है तो जा रहे हैं. ओके
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Good ma'am.
ओके. सो जिसके पेरेंट्स साथ साथ में बैठे हैं, अगर वी कुड टॉक टू देम.
Ma'am,
यस.
right now because of Corona, I want to go to school.
Yeah, that is just because I want to go and meet my
Also,
friends.
I want to
Yeah.
meet my friends.
तभी
And
तो.
I also we are having so fun.
How many of you want to go to school not to meet friends? सब लोग फ्रेंड्स से मिलने जा रहे हैं ना. जाना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
Yeah. अब सभी के मम्मी पापा अगर यहाँ पे है, आई वुड वांट टू आस्क यू, जब इनको पढ़ाई करवानी होती है या जब इनका होमवर्क करवाना होता है, हाउ इज इट फॉर यू? आपके लिए कैसा होता है वो टाइम?
वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
हाँ, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम. पीछे पढ़ना पड़ता है बच्चों के.
बिठाना पड़ता है जबरदस्ती.
जबरदस्ती बिठाना पड़ता है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट.
Mama.
यस, मीका.
Yes.
मीका आपकी मम्मी भी है साइड पे. ऑल दोस आई कैन.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I am alone.
मम्मी
Same
पापा
thing
से
as
लड़ाई
me.
होती है, बच्चों से ही पूछ रहे थे, मम्मी पापा से कभी कभी लड़ाई होती है पढ़ाई को लेकर?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
या
जबरदस्ती बिठाना पड़ता है, लड़ाई हो जाती है.
हम लोग पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं करना चाहते अपने आप? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी बोरिंग, इज इट?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
इट इज वेरी बोरिंग.
लॉन्ग लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस बोरिंग है. तो इसको थोड़ा चेंज करें. कोशिश करें कि हम पढ़ाई को थोड़ा मस्ती बनाते हैं, थोड़ा फन बनाते हैं. ठीक है. आई विल शेयर अ स्क्रीन विद यू इफ देयर इज एनी पेरेंट हु वुड वांट टू शेयर उनका कैसा
मैम हम
स्पेस.
पढ़ाई तो नहीं, हाँ हम पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, हम कुछ और करेंगे और
हम
देखते
तो
हैं कि हम
मस्ती
वैसे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं.
हम तो मस्ती करेंगे. लेट्स सी किस को मस्ती करनी है आज. कौन
अरे
कौन
आपके
मस्ती.
पेरेंट्स से पूछ लेते हैं ना मैम, वो क्यों स्कूल गए थे, पेरेंट्स से भी पूछ लो.
मुझे तो कोई पेरेंट
निका
दिख ही
की
नहीं
मम्मा से पूछ लेते हैं कि वो क्यों स्कूल गई थी. मैम आप क्यों स्कूल गए थे? आपके भी मम्मी पापा ने बोला था ना स्कूल जाना होता है.
जी मम्मी पापा ने बोला था.
Ma'am, it is natural process.
हाँ वो तो बाद में पता चला भी कुछ नर्चर हो जाएगा, बट तब तो हम इसलिए गए थे. जब नर्सरी क्लास में धक्का दिया था मम्मी ने, जा बस में, तो हम इसलिए गए थे. वी वेंट टू स्कूल बिकॉज आवर पेरेंट्स टोल्ड अस. एट व्हेन आई वाज लिटिल बेबी आई डिडंट नो. माय फादर सेड गो टू स्कूल. आई वेंट टू स्कूल. My mother said, big yellow bus. I said, okay. New bag. Oh, wow, new bag. I went to school to show my new bag.
Right.
So let's see today ki why actually we study.
Ah.
Okay.
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 So abhi I will share the screen again. I hope it will be visible.
Yes, it is visible, ma'am.
हाँ, ये वाला दिख रहा है. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what do you see on the screen? क्या लिखा है screen पे?
The wonder called sleep. The wonder called sleep.
अब आप लोग मुझे बताओ किस किसने हाथ खड़ा किया था स्लीप के लिए. मेरे अलावा किस किसने स्लीप के लिए हाथ खड़ा किया था. ओके. So let's do one thing. इसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ते हैं and let's try to understand ये है क्या.
फिर
इसमें
मैम
क्या बोल
इससे
रहे हैं.
पहले एक क्वेश्चन पूछो इनसे. मैम
हाँ.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ इसकी फोटो देखकर, कैन यू गेस व्हाट वुड दिस स्टोरी बी ऑल अबाउट?
Sleeping.
Okay, maybe about
Sleeping.
sleeping. Okay. Is it
And
a
then-
story about a boy or a girl?
Dreaming. Boy.
Dreaming.
Boy.
Okay, boy. Okay.
Okay.
Something that some character that there may be there in this story. कोई character आ सकता है? Any character you think will be there in the story?
Mama or Papa.
Mama and
Mama and
Papa.
Papa.
maybe.
Mama or Papa.
Kyatika, what do you think? Any character that may come into the story? Guess.
Moon and star can.
Okay, moon and star can come. Kyatika, I can't hear you. You have to
हाँ,
unmute
आपको
yourself.
unmute करना पड़ेगा.
Ma'am, dreams.
Dreams. Okay. Kyatika?
Kyatika आप म्यूट पे हो. आपको unmute. हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any guesses? Sleeping. Okay.
Sleeping.
What? Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है.
Maybe we can ask mummy also. Okay, somebody's parents. What do you think the story would be about? Can you guess some characters that may come up in the story?
Mika's mummy, Prahit's mom is also there. क्या लग रहा है आपको? क्या लग रहा है क्या होगा स्टोरी में?
No idea.
Ma'am, I know.
Let guess.
हाँ.
Ma'am, the child will sleep at late time and the mama papa will scold him that
Okay.
why you do not wake up early.
Wow.
Got it. Now let's read the story, ma'am. They have to read the story.
क्या?
तो एक बच्चा थोड़ा सा पार्ट रीड कर लो यहाँ तक डे तक.
लेकिन Ma'am, I can read.
हाँ प्रहित. Yes.
One, our body and brain recover from
Fatigue.
हाँ
But-
मतलब it's okay. Don't give them answers, ma'am. इनको पढ़ने तो गलत पढ़ते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Let them read it.
after a good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes slower and our temperature and blood pressure go down. We know enough about what sleep is. So, what we do not know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from
fatigue,
Hmm.
fatigue caused by the day activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day.
Okay,
Thank you.
stop.
When
Stop.
Thank you, Prahit.
Yeah.
अभी किसको पकड़ू मैं पढ़ने के लिए? Somebody, एकाशवीर.
Ma'am, you've given chance to both the boys. Excuse me.
Okay, ठीक है. मीका को दे देता है, फिर एकाशवीर पे आ जाता है.
Kanchir, yeah, I would like one girl to read. Okay, Mika.
Yes, Mika.
paragraph.
What happens next? यहाँ
Can
से
you
पढ़ते
see,
हैं.
Mika? When we wake up.
When we wake up in the morning, it is not a way possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep.
Hmm.
We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place.
Thank you for reading that. अभी इतना सा पढ़ते हैं. ये लास्ट पार्ट कौन रीड करेगा? ख्यातिका, एकांशवीर.
Ma'am, I think we can read the first paragraph till dream, till consciously. Kanchveer can read. Yes,
हाँ.
Kanchveer.
इधर तक. हाँ.
Several things happen.
Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slow and temperature and blood pressure goes down. The ever active brain also slows down so that we can think or act consciously.
Okay. Kyatika.
Okay. Kyatika. But yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Forgotten. Yeah.
Thank you. Great. Okay.
Wow.
तो अभी हम सब ने क्या देखा? We were all
Who
looking at
can
the
tell
chat.
me what did we read?
Yeah. What did we read?
Let's ask someone who can tell us what did we read? What have you understood till now?
Ma'am,
Can
I
you explain.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Prahit, say.
Ma'am, we learn importance of sleep.
Okay, you learn the
Okay.
importance of sleep. Okay. And what happens to our body when we are sleeping? Did you find out?
Ma'am, everything goes slow down. Our digestive part, our heartbeat, our brain goes down.
Okay.
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 Now tell me और किस चीज की बात हुई? Sleep की बात हुई. जैसा प्रयत ने बोला, we were talking about everything going down. What happens next? When you sleep, what is the one thing that happens? Where do we go? Where does our mind go? In dreams.
Yes.
Great. Now you tell me, have you guys ever had a dream?
Ma'am, yes, of course.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Of course.
ख्यातिका के पास भी है. Great. Would you like to share us about your dream? किसी को याद है
One
dream?
by one, ma'am. One
Yes,
by one.
one by one.
Let's hear from everyone. Maybe Kyatika, let's begin with your dream. Any dream that you remember that you must have seen in the night?
Cute puppy.
Yeah. बताओ ख्यातिका, what was the dream all about? क्या हो रहा था ड्रीम में? Think about it. मैं अपने ड्रीम का बताऊं जब तक ख्यातिका सोच रही है. I'll share mine. तो मेरे ड्रीम में पता क्या होता है? I am in one room and I am having a lot of fun with my siblings, with my brothers and sisters, and then I open the door and I am in some other house. मेरा घर ही बदल जाता है. When I open the door, I am in some other house. किसी ने वो कार्टून देखा है डोरेमोन का? उसमें he has that anyway door. मेरा door वैसे ही बन जाता है. I open the door and I am somewhere else. And I watched this dream like very many times, multiple times. मुझे यही सपना आता है कि मैं दरवाजा खोल रही हूँ and I've teleported somewhere else. तो मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे dreams आते हैं. I don't know, but this is one constant dream. Yes, Monica ma'am, आप share करना चाहते हो?
Ma'am, I also have, yeah, you know, I had this dream. So when I was in a place called Assam. So there I remember I went to a place, a park, which has a spiral kind of a cake के जैसा उसमें ना सीढ़ी था, staircase. So you have to go round, and you come to the top. So I always dream that I'm running on that staircase, wearing a white colored dress, and then I start flying. And sometimes I get up and I try to run. Sometimes I want to get up, try to run to see कि ओए मुझे कहीं फिर से fly तो नहीं करूँगी. So I see this dream many times.
Wow.
And I go round and round and round.
Wow.
Yeah. Ekashvi wants to say.
हाँ, काफी time से he's raising his hand.
Ekashvi wants to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ekashvi. Yeah, what dream do you remember?
Ma'am, one day, ma'am, it was like a two-part dream. Like one time it happened and and then automatically it became night again. Like that.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
So what
In the dream, day and night.
that I wake up and I see a box, and that box it's wrapped. It's totally wrapped, and it is, and in there it's written to Ekanshvi. When I open the box, I see there's a mobile phone here.
Wow.
Oh, that's a dream or a hint to Mama.
Ma'am, it's a dream only. Ma'am, then what happens? Then I again sleep in that dream, and when I get up in the dream, I see I'm playing. Then I see there's a PS4.
Wow.
Oh,
Gifts बढ़ते जा रहे हैं.
Yes, that's all.
That's it. Wow. How did it
Okay.
feel when you opened your eyes and I was like, अरे ये तो dream था.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes.
Okay.
How many of you dream that you're going to give exams? Do you? Okay. Rohit, do you dream that you're going to give exam? I still dream that sometimes. I'm going to give my maths exam and I don't know anything.
Yes, Akashi.
Ma'am, can I tell that video game?
Video का
Wait,
वाला
wait,
dream
wait,
भी है.
wait.
Let
So
me
big-
ask other people.
Yeah, wait. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
First, let's ask other people. Ekashvi, yeah. Yes, Prahit.
Ma'am, most time I saw the dream of being actor and the most rich
Oh,
अरे
And
वाह.
and most rich person in the world. And ma'am, everything
oh.
is happening.
But and ma'am, I think that it's so. I will so happy. I am so happy. I'm doing that. I'm doing that. I can eat that. I can. I want. I want. With what I want, I have. And ma'am,
Wow.
always it happens. And my
And
Yeah,
tax
that's
उड़ जाते हैं.
many times it
Okay.
happened. Ma'am, my dream only broke.
I understand. But most of the time you watch the same dream that you're an actor now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, great. Thank you so much for sharing that. Khatika, Mihika. कौन सा dream? Yes, Mishika. Would you like to share?
Who is speaking?
Ma'am, it's a
Nishika or
chocolate
Nisha?
tree.
It's a chocolate
I'm
tree ka
Mishika.
dream. So can you tell us more about
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slurp.
Yes. Ma'am, I go to that tree and I eat the chocolates.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. And then what? फिर क्या होता है ड्रीम में?
And ma'am, then comes anyone and I run to my home
Hmm.
and I got sleep, and my mother comes and I sleep to my bed.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Wow. But looking at the chocolate tree, how that would have been really good, huh? I wish I had a chocolate tree wala dream. मैं सारा चॉकलेट्स खा लेती, ड्रीम में ही खा लेती सारे चॉकलेट्स.
Mihika
Yes,
also wanted
Mika.
to-
Chocolate so much.
Same here.
Yeah.
खाना बहुत पसंद है.
Yes,
Yes,
Mika.
Mika.
Means my parents, means I was sleeping and I get up from the morning and my parents bring a new, means cute puppy.
Cute puppies. Oh. And then what happens?
And then I was very happy.
Ah, did you tell your मम्मी पापा कि
Oh,
मैंने ये
okay.
देखा ड्रीम में, अब मुझे पपी चाहिए?
Yes.
Ah.
Ah, PS4, mobile phone, puppies. Great.
Yeah.
Kyatika, any dream that scared you anytime? Kyatika, did you dream anything that scared you anytime?
Any
No.
scary dream?
Okay.
Any funny dream? Okay. So अभी
Okay,
ना
but
क्या
we
कर,
will talk about it. हाँ, पहले हम आगे बढ़ते हैं.
आगे
Yeah.
बढ़ते हैं. तो अभी ना मैं एक स्टोरी स्टार्ट करती हूँ. हम इसमें कुछ कुछ चीजें ऐड करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट अ स्टोरी जहाँ पे आप लोग ड्रीम कर रहे हो. अपने हिसाब से अब आपको अपना ड्रीम बनाना है. अदरवाइज तो वी डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल ऑन आवर ड्रीम्स ना. हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता ना हमारे ड्रीम्स पे. होता है किसी का कंट्रोल?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं होता ना.
No, ma'am.
तो अभी इस वाले ड्रीम को कंट्रोल करते हैं. लेट अस मेक आवर ओन ड्रीम. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट द स्टोरी और मैं जहां पे स्टॉप करूंगी आप उसको कंटिन्यू करोगे. ठीक है? एंड मेक इट एज फनी, एज स्कैरी, एज मच एक्शन ओरिएंटेड एज यू वांट इट टू बी. ओके, तो मैं शुरू करती हूँ. तो वन डे आई सडनली वोक अप and realized I was not in my room. The length of my hair had suddenly gone up till my toes. What happens next?
Ma'am, who goes next? Tap someone. Ma'am, tap someone.
Okay.
You have to tap someone. Who will
Okay,
touch
okay. Prahit,
someone. Okay, Prahit, then what happened?
what happens? I have long hair now.
Continue the dream.
What I'm saying.
Continue
what
the
is-
dream, Prahit.
इसको कंटिन्यू करना है. इस
So
ड्रीम
one day, ma'am, Elam ma'am was sleeping and she saw a dream that suddenly her hair has gone as big as her toes. So from her head to toe, she has long hair. Then what happened?
What happens next?
Ma'am, anyone comes and put leg on ma'am's hair and ma'am shouted.
Oh my God.
Okay, Purohit tap someone. Purohit tap someone. वो आगे continue करेंगे.
हाँ,
किसी का भी नाम लो ग्रुप में.
किसी का भी नाम लो. एकांशवीर, ख्यातिका, मिहिका, मिशिका.
Kyatika.
Kyatika, then what happened? Continue the dream.
कुछ भी करो ड्रीम के साथ.
Crazy भी हो सकते हैं. So,
हाँ.
ma'am had a long hair from head to toe and somebody stepped on her hair. Then what happened? Okay.
So I'm getting scared and I'm going to
And
hide
then
now.
she hid, yeah, somewhere. Tap someone, Kyatika. Take somebody's name.
So we have Mishika, Mihika, and we have Ekanshvi.
Ekanshi.
इन तीनों में से किसी का.
Okay. So, Mihika, what happened after that?
Then I was very scared and then I ran from
But she
there.
hid. So, she hid. You have to continue from hid.
हाँ.
So,
So I ran
Kyatika
away
said-
from there. Yeah.
And she hid. Now, where did she hide?
I hid behind the tree.
Okay. So, she hid
Okay.
behind a tree. Tap someone.
Mishika और Ekanshvi. Yeah.
Mishika.
Okay. Then
Yes,
what happened,
Mishika.
Mishika?
So now I am behind the tree. I'm running and I am hiding behind the tree.
A woman with the long hair from head to toe. Somebody stepped on the hair. She shouted and she was very scared. So she hid behind the tree. Then what happened, Mishika?
Man, there was a zombie.
Okay. So there's a zombie now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tap Ekanshveer.
So now there is a zombie.
Ma'am,
Ekanshvi. Yes, Ekanshvi, अब तो zombie भी आ गया भाई.
Ma'am,
Yes.
zombie आ गया, फिर क्या हुआ?
ma'am, then you have heard a story about zombies and it says that if a zombie bites you, you also become a zombie. The zombie then runs towards you and then you run away.
Oh my
Okay, then
God.
tap someone, tap someone.
So now I have become a zombie. Okay.
No, you still not become a zombie. Tap me, please, tap me.
Tap Monica, ma'am.
Okay, so then what happened when Helam ma'am was running with the long hair from head to toe and a zombie was following? So Helam ran to a mountain which had statues of chocolates, and they looked like people. They were all made of chocolates, and the zombie got confused. Tap Helam ma'am, tap.
Yes, so the zombies got confused and they were eating the chocolates instead. They thought it's me, but they thought they were the chocolates instead. And I took the cue and I slowly, keeping my one foot at a time, moved towards the door and closed the door, and all the zombies were inside the room, and I was all safe now. So मैं तो बच गई भाई, but chocolates खराब हो गए. So now I'm really sad about the chocolates. I'm happy that I'm safe, but I'm really sad for the chocolates. I wish I could eat those chocolates.
Okay, Prahit, then what happened? Yeah, Prahit, then what happened?
Ma'am, then ma'am go to sleep, and ma'am, in ma'am's dreams, a ghost came and ma'am shouted, "Please मुझे छोड़ दो, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया."
Okay. Kyatika. Wait. Let's ask Kyatika. Then what happened, Kyatika? Now again the ghost came in her dreams.
Dream
Then what
within a
happened?
dream.
Make it as a crazy dream. Make it as very crazy. Then what happened?
भूत है मेरे ड्रीम में, अब देखो.
Okay. And she's so scared. Okay, Mihika. Then what happened?
Then I woke up and ran in the dream.
Then she woke up and ran in the dream. Mishika, where was she running to?
भाग रही हूँ. I'm running for such a long time.
Ma'am was running.
Think about crazy thing, illogical dream. Anything
So
can happen in a dream.
So मैं continue करती हूँ, मेरे बाद मेहका बोलेगी. So I ran, and then I thought I cannot run anymore. I really need help. I really hoped कि कोई मेरा help करने आएगा. Some superhero, there are so many superheroes. I wished कि I only need one superhero there.
And ma'am, then
And
a Superman came.
aha.
Okay, a Superman came. Okay, so what was Superman wearing?
Ekanshvi is also
Superman was wearing a sari. He had decided to wear a sari that day, and his sari's pallu was flying like that, and he was getting all the power to fly. Zoom. Then what happened, Ekanshvi?
Ma'am,
Yes.
then Superman knew that ghosts were afraid of light. So Superman brought light, and then he fried the ghost into some ghost tikka.
Okay, and then he came to me. The Superman came here. Monica ma'am, would you like to try some ghost tikka? I said, yeah. अच्छा तो लगता है मुझे ghost tikka, but I need some sauce with it. So I woke up Pehla ma'am, get up. I want a sauce to eat the ghost tikka. And then Pehla ma'am woke up, and the dream was like finished. Then what happened?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Prohit, would you like to end the dream, please, Prohit? बहुत हो गया, मैम को स्कूल जाना है अब.
ma'am, you are saying that woke up at 11, ma'am, but ma'am is not working. And in my ma'am's dream, last scene is that Superman saree over teared and he is in underwear.
Yeah, and then he decided next time I will wear my underwear above my sari so that neither the sari tears nor the and I look like
Yes,
a Superman. Thank you,
yes,
thank you. That was wonderful. What a wonderful story. If I tell you to remember the whole story, will you be able to tell me the whole story?
ma'am. No, I didn't.
No, I think you know. Actually, you can say if you think about it. Yes, Elam ma'am. We can't hear you, Elam ma'am. Elam, we can't hear you. Are you on mute? Unmute?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are.
हाँ, so I was saying अभी सबको याद आ जाएगा if I start the dream again ना, if I tell you that I was asleep and I got up and I had long hair, then you will remember ना long hair के बाद क्या हुआ, फिर क्या हुआ, है ना? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. So we all will remember this dream. So this is how the पढ़ाई goes on in fun studies. लग रहा था आप लोगों को कि हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
Actually, in that story जो आप पढ़ रहे थे क्लास 6 की जो, तो हमने आपको एक चैप्टर था क्लास 6 का उस था और उसमें there is a story about a dream and they make their own dream and this is how they make their own dream. So if I tell you today that you need to write a story on your dream, any weird dream, and share it with me tomorrow or maybe with your friends, would you like to do it? Will that homework be
Yes, ma'am.
like boring or it will be interesting?
Ma'am, which is ma'am, interesting. Very
And if you don't want to write, if I tell you to draw your dream, how will that be?
ma'am, then it is boring for me.
Okay, it is boring for
Yes,
you.
ma'am. It will
Maybe for someone it will be interesting who loves to draw. Mishika, do you like to draw?
Yes, ma'am, I love to draw.
So you will love to draw the dream.
Yes, ma'am, I draw my dream.
Oh, she
Okay.
will draw her dream.
So,
Great.
okay, so your parents are there. Let's ask them.
अपने मम्मी
No,
पापा
ma'am, my parents are not there with me.
Okay, so all whoever parent is there, if
all
they are
those
there.
जिसके parents side में हैं, just make sure you can call them and they're sitting right next to you now. मम्मी को पापा को बुला लो.
Okay.
अरे
तो वो सुन रहे थे आपकी कहानी.
Were they listening to your story?
Were they listening to the
Long
story?
story.
Your
no,
dream?
ma'am.
No? Okay, no worries. No worries. Okay, so if I ask Prahit's mom and if I ask, I don't know, Khatika's father is there or not. And Mihika's, I don't know, Mihika's mom could listen to what story was coming up. So we would want to know, do you think the children were stressful? Okay, children, were you really stressed when you were doing this story?
Ma'am,
No.
we are enjoying.
You were enjoying. Okay. So did you hated this? Did you hated the story or did you love the story? Did you love your studies?
No.
English class ले रहे थे हम आपकी. Did you like your English class?
Yes, ma'am, so much.
Okay, great,
Okay.
great. Wow.
Okay. Anytime while making the story, were you fearful कि अगर मैं गलत बोल दूंगी तो क्या होगा या मैं गलत बोलूंगा तो
ma'am.
क्या होगा?
Ma'am, at school I like so much story in my free period.
Okay,
Okay.
great. And did you feel कि अरे मैं इसकी story कैसे continue करूँ? मैं तो जानती नहीं हूँ इसको या मैं जानता ही नहीं हूँ उसको.
No, ma'am.
नहीं ना?
I didn't feel like it.
You didn't
And
feel
ma'am,
like it at all.
Ma'am, my mother is with me.
Okay,
great,
your mother
great.
is also there with you. Mishika's mom is also there. So, if given 5 more minutes, do you think now at any time can you make each other your friends? Like, would Mishika would like to be friends with Mihika, Kanchveer, Prahit, and Khatika? Khatika, do you think these children are good ones and they can be your friends in some future time? Yes, Mihika is showing thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Khatika, thank you for sharing that. Okay.
So what we did in this session we were all focusing on these elements. This is for the parents. आज के सेशन में भी we were all focusing on their self belief when they were creating the story. आप में से कितने बच्चों को लगा कि हम लोग बहुत creative हो रहे थे? We created something or the other. एक के बाद एक हो रहा था.
Yeah.
Great. और नए ideas आ रहे थे दिमाग में? नया
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
my turn will come when my turn will come.
When my turn will come.
You
Yeah,
are waiting
okay.
अपने टर्म के लिए. Great. That's exactly what we are talking about. So हम लोगों ने कहीं पे give up किया क्या किसी ने? कि बस अब तो नहीं, अब तो हो गया. So we were not giving up. We were creating new stories. We were thinking. These are the elements जो हम अपनी studies में use करते हैं, जो हम आपके साथ use करते हैं. Things that we build up with all the children who are there present in the class. So these are 10 life skills जो WHO के through हमने निकाली हैं. These are the life skills जो बच्चों के साथ हम nurture करते हैं. उनके हर एक session में we try to nurture all these skills or few of these skills accordingly, and we create a sheet, an assessment sheet also. WHO कहता है कि in the coming years, in 2030, 2040, all the work that we are doing nowadays, इसमें से कुछ नहीं काम करेगा. We will have all new work. Everybody will have a different career path. उस जगह पे these are the 10 elements that will help each and every child. These are the 10 elements. These are the 10 skills that will help them become what they want to be.
When
So
we actually design the lesson plan, so we actually focus on life skills. So this is the 6th class chapter. So Elam was focusing more on effective communication, or maybe creative thinking, and maybe problem solving, or maybe decision making, or never give up attitude. Now these are the skills that we are practicing. Now we subject is a medium with which we actually nurture the life skills. So we are also teaching them, giving them knowledge, but not as a knowledge, but we are using life skills to deliver the knowledge. And in that process, children enjoy. So they all enjoyed their class.
How many of you? Yes, तो प्रहित को तो बहुत मजा आया.
I feel so much enjoyed.
You've enjoyed it a lot. And अच्छा मुझे बताओ, how many of you would like to continue and come in the next class and have as much fun as we had today?
Mama.
Katika will also be there. Okay.
Oh, great.
Yes,
Everybody is
also
raising their hand. I will be looking forward to all that, all of you. तो हमारी classes में ये चीज बहुत होती है. We think, हम सोचते हैं, फिर हम खोजते हैं, फिर हम बोलते हैं, और हम बहुत पूछते हैं, और फिर हम डिस्को करते हैं. तो सोचो, खोजो, बोलो, पूछो, और एंड में डिस्को. But this is one thing that we do in the class. The other thing that we do in the class is reflect upon हमने क्लास में क्या क्या सीखा, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस कितना था आज की क्लास में, हमने कितना क्रिएटिविटी किया. अगर मैं आप लोगों को बोलूं, रेट योरसेल्फ आउट ऑफ 5, आज की क्लास में आपकी क्रिएटिविटी 5 में से कितनी थी? 5. आज की क्लास में आपका
5 में से 5.
5 में से 5. तो आज की क्लास में आप 5 में से 5 में से 10. वाओ.
Okay, Kyatika, आपके लिए कुछ था? Kyatika, do you think you rated yourself 5 in creativity? Okay.
And
4
how
in
much?
what? Communication. So that is totally okay. So for you, Kyatika, it is okay. I don't know whether you speak so much or not, but it's totally okay. Did you like it, Kyatika? Did you enjoy? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So जैसे हमने अभी इस क्लास में किया ना एक एलिमेंट पे, इन द सिमिलर वे एवरी क्लास वी डू अ सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन, वी मार्क आवरसेल्व्स आउट ऑफ 5 कि हमने आज की क्लास में कितने एलिमेंट्स पे हमने टच अप किया. और ये आप खुद ही करते हो, वी डोंट डू इट. ये आप लोग खुद ही करोगे. क्रिएटिविटी में yes.
You
How much
created a story. You created a dream. We didn't tell you anything. You created it on your own. Imagine a dream where the ghost came and the superhero came who was wearing a sari. I mean, that's a great creativity that you did.
That was amazing. And the way the sari
Changed into the underwear.
changes into underwear. That was a great ending. I really liked it. Okay. So this is our performances, the performance of all the kids, all the children who are there with us. So जो भी बच्चे हमारे साथ join in करते हैं, this is the level of performance that gets improved. So 50 to 100% is what you are going to see the change in another month or 2 in your kids after they join the session. So that is one thing. और ये जो सारा हमारा प्रॉब्लम है ना विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टडीज, जो सारे पेरेंट्स पीछे पड़े होते हैं बच्चों के कि भाई पढ़ ले, अब तो पढ़ ले, ये सब खत्म हो जाएगा. सारी पढ़ाई की सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विल बी देयर्स. दे विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ स्टडीज. So ready to join us, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So you have to register with us for that.
Yes. In order to do that, you have to register with us. We will be meeting on Wednesdays and Saturdays, 3 to 4:30. हर वेडनेसडे सैटरडे को 3 to 4:30 हम लोग मिलेंगे, ऐसी खूब सारी मस्ती करेंगे और खूब सारा कुछ कवर अप कर लेंगे।
और हो सकता है मैं एलाम मैम के साथ नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मैं छोटे बच्चों के साथ आई टेक क्लासेस फ्रॉम क्लास 1 to 3, तो मैं उनके साथ क्लासेस लेती हूँ।
Wednesday and Saturday.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mishika, Wednesday and Saturday.
Okay.
And the passcode and entry number.
वो
That
सब
we
we
will
will share
send
with
you.
you. We
We'll
will
share
all
with
share
you.
that with you. We will add you in the WhatsApp group and you will get all the details.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
एक रोज क्लास होगी.
Okay.
So the cost of this program for up till August has been 4,000 per month, and if you register with us for 3 months, it was 10,000. But we understand कि अभी pandemic का time है and everybody is struggling with getting the money at home. So we have reduced the cost up to 50%, and we are giving the program at 2,000 plus GST to everybody who would want to join us. So
Yeah.
please make sure that you're there with us on Saturday. All of you, Prahit, Mishika, Kyatika,
Yes, ma'am, of course.
and
Of course.
yes, so I will be seeing you. मैंने तो देख लिया, अब तो सबका नाम भी मुझे याद रह गया है. Everybody knows me. So we will not be strangers. We will all see each other and we will continue this masti.
Yes,
Yes.
Ekanshvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Class tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow is Saturday,
Yes.
yeah. They have
Yes.
a class. Tomorrow they have a class, yes. So if you really want to explore that, ma'am, can they do that? Can
Yes,
they come
they
into a live session?
they
In
can
the
come
normal
into
session?
Ma'am, tomorrow will be a class.
Tomorrow
Yes.
there is a class. If you want to attend that class, you can actually tell your parents. They would connect with Vibhu ma'am, and then they can send you the details. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how many of you, अभी मैंने बहुत बार पूछ लिया, but I am going to ask you one last time कि मैं किस किस को देखूंगी? जिसको मुझे प्रहित को तो देख ही लूंगी. एकांशवीर is also raising his hand. Mishika, wow, एकांशवीर तो इतना हाथ ऊपर किया ना उसने पूरी क्लास में. Okay, great guys. I will see all
Great.
of you.
Thank you. And
Thank
we'll
you
love
so
to
much.
have Kyatika and
Thank
Nisha
you so
also
much,
there.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Kyatika, take care. Any doubts, connect with us. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody, any parent who has any question?
Ma'am, I
Yes, Mishika.
Ekanshveer, we want the parents to ask, please.
Ma'am, I want to say, not ask.
अच्छा,
Okay.
yes, please.
अब तुम कैसे पूछ रहे हो, कैसे बात कर रहे हो, पेरेंट जैसे या एकांशवीर जैसे?
क्या?
नहीं, सुनाई नहीं दिया, फिर से बोलो.
मैम, मैंने इतनी बार हाथ ऊपर किया कि मेरा हाथ ही दुख गया.
अब अगली बार कुछ करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे हाथ बना के ना, ऐसे टिंग.
Yeah, get a comb. हाँ, मैंने साइड पे रखा है comb. Just you can do this and I'll understand you're raising your hand.
Okay, children, I
Okay.
hope you enjoyed the class. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, Kyatika. See you. Bye, Prahit. Bye, Mishika. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you. Bye.